Adimas, what are you going to choose after the graduation?
I'm going to become a chef because I love cooking.
That's a great choice. Will you work in a hotel?
Yes, I work in a five-star if I get the opportunity. What about you?
I'm going to become the waiter in five-star hotel because I'd like to serve people. I applied job at cruise ships.
Will you take an English course because before applying for a job?
Yes, I will because it will help me to communicate with foreign people.
Good idea. I'm going to improve my cooking skill before I start working.
Okay. That's a great choice. I hope we will get our dream job
Me too. Good luck.
Good luck.